Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook mushrooms vegan style. First, let's talk about preparation. It's crucial to clean your mushrooms properly without waterlogging them. Gently wipe them with a damp cloth or a soft brush to remove any dirt. Avoid rinsing them under running water, as mushrooms are like sponges and will absorb too much liquid, making them soggy. Next, trim off any tough stem ends and slice larger mushrooms into uniform pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick, ensuring they cook evenly and beautifully. Now for the perfect sauté. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or your favorite vegan butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. The key here is not to overcrowd the pan. Cook your mushrooms in a single layer. If you have too many, work in batches. This allows them to brown beautifully instead of steaming. Let them cook undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they release their moisture, turn a lovely golden brown, and become tender. This browning develops deep, rich flavors. To elevate the flavor, consider some simple additions. During the last 2 minutes of cooking, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and a sprig of fresh thyme. Once the mushrooms are browned, you can deglaze the pan with about 1/4 cup of vegetable broth or a dry white wine, scraping up any flavorful bits. Finish by seasoning generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of umami, a dash of soy sauce or a drizzle of balsamic glaze works wonders. Finally, let's talk about serving your perfectly cooked vegan mushrooms. They are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them as a simple, savory side dish alongside your favorite plant-based meal. You can also incorporate them into pasta dishes, creamy risottos, or hearty grain bowls for added texture and flavor. For a quick and elegant appetizer, spoon them over toasted bread or bruschetta. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives at the end adds a lovely pop of color and freshness. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.